Imagine a creature that can survive without water for years. Meet the kangaroo rat. This small rodent thrives in deserts, extracting moisture from seeds. How about the immortal jellyfish? It can revert to its juvenile form, defying death itself. Unbelievable, right? Next, the axolotl. This amphibian can regenerate lost limbs and even parts of its heart. Talk about a superhero of the animal kingdom. Then there's the mimic octopus, which can impersonate other sea creatures to avoid predators. It's like nature's own master of disguise. Ever heard of the pistol shrimp? It snaps its claws so fast, it creates a bubble that stuns prey. That's some serious firepower in a tiny package. The bombardier beetle takes it to another level, shooting boiling chemicals at threats. A true warrior. And let's not forget the immortal tardigrade. These microscopic marvels can survive extreme conditions, even in space. How about the platypus? It's a mammal that lays eggs and has venomous spurs. Nature surely has a wild imagination. These adaptations show the incredible creativity of evolution. What other surprises does nature hold?